I just got a surprise today. I wonder what's in the box. What's in the box, we wonder? Lucy, open the box up, please. She's gonna help me open the box.
Like you may not already know what it is.
Yeah. So excited! I'm about to show y'all what's in this box.
Alright, so that part. Are you ready to see?
Are y'all ready to see what's in this box? It is a Gateway computer. Now Lucy's going to hold the camera while I open the box. Lucy, will you hold the camera while I open the box? It's a Gateway. Hold on, what are you doing? I'm gonna open the box.
How you gonna open the box and make sure there ain't no?
There's not.
Yes.
I saw the unboxing on YouTube.
Yeah, there's tape right here. Get it.
Well, she's gonna take the tape off and then I'm gonna open the box.
Are you sure you're gonna open the box?
Yeah. I'm gonna open the box.
Okay. Here.
Alright.
These things are here.
Yeah, I know. First of all, let's read you the specs. It's a screen size 14.1, resolution 1920 x 1080. Operation Windows, Windows 10. Home in S mode, but you can take it off S mode. Battery up to 8.5 hours. Storage is 64 gigabyte, but you can add a memory card to it. The processor frequency is 1.1.
You have 46 gigabyte and you want to buy a chip? That's nonsense.
Unit color is blue. It's blue. Exhibition slot, micro SD.
You wanted purple.
Yeah, I got the blue, but I want a purple, but that's okay. USB-C data transfer. And the memory is 4 gigabytes, and the front camera is 0.3 MP. Video output is mini HDMI, Wi-Fi compatible, USB 3.02 slots, and a Bluetooth 4.0. This is a Windows 10 Intel, tuned by THX, which is a sound operator. Oh, and it's from Gateway. I'm so excited to have a Gateway. I haven't had a Gateway since I was little.
Okay. Now, what do you
Make sure you put it on me.
It's still on you, Taisha.
Excuse me. Let's grab a shirt.
I'm holding the box, the tray
excited.
for her.
I'm so excited.
Because, well.
Wait, there's a...
That's what I was trying to... Hold on.
I got it.
No, that's not how you open it.
Everybody hang on.
Here.
Hang on, everybody.
I told you there's one.